Good evening, my name is Uldis and I'm from Emulated Virtual Environment, shortly called EVE Project Team. In this very short video I would like to present what will be an EVE and what we will do. Let's start. So this presentation will be uploaded into our crowdfund page and later you can go through. So what is an EVE? EVE is a single platform where you will be able to run some multi-vendors like a Cisco, Juniper, F5, Palo Alto inside of the one VM machine. So it will be multi-hypervisor VM machine. Why we need another emulator vs Wirel and GNS? All respect to both vendors and both producers of nice emulation tools, but we decided to continue our previous project, which was called UNL Unified Networking Lab, and so after some team change we decided to continue, but it will be rebranded as an EVE. So network emulation and multi-hypervisor, and you're going to see that it will be supported like a VMware machine, and it can be as well used like on a Linux box, or for enterprise it could be run on ESXi. EVE management, the most benefit of EVE management will be at a clientless web access. This means if you have, for example, some corporate machine where you are not able or are even forbidden to install something like an telnet clients or some VNC sessions to open, you will be able to do it on a EVE because EVE will use web client access. So it's later I will show you how it will look. So if you're just clicking on a node, it will be open a telnet session through the web, as well as an RDP session or VNC. Of course, the Windows and Linux and Macintosh client will be provided as well for your home PCs as well. Where are you and admins? EVE features, brand new web management I will shortly show you. We are bringing all things and benefits from previous project and a custom shape drawing and a Wireshark integration like captcha. The new things will come. It will be import or export some configurations from your running nodes from EVE to your native PC and the back. And for example, you have running routers, which you can be saved like in a notepad. You will be able to import this configuration into the EVE. Vendor image upload to the EVE. That will be amazing thing. You can download as it is. It's from Cisco.com. It's for example CSR 1000 router, and you can simply upload, and EVE will do necessary things in conversation process to adopt it and place in a proper location and ready to run into the EVE. And one more very good thing what we're expecting to get inside, this is a Wirel GNS3 IOU web lab importing into the EVE. Features, multi-user support will be absolutely improved. Yes, because we are looking to if the EVE could be used like for companies who are running the network classes, and you're going to create some teacher account, and under this account at a smaller could be created some student accounts, and teacher can manage these accounts, even a grade, and check what student did it in their accounts. So it's a web management, as I told you, as I'll show you very shortly. So we are bringing the old features inside of the EVE from UNL. Vendors will be supported. This list is not full, of course. There are only major vendors what we have. So we are working, if it is possible, to run like in a VMware machine, and the vendors providing, we are sure for 99% that you will be able to run them under the EVE. Future beyond the limits. If you have afford some very good servers, so you have no limits. EVE is no limits, so we are not limited to running it. So if you can run in the 100 nodes or something like that. And EVE clouding is a future when you will be able to order some specific VM machine and upload your images into the cloud and start to work. Okay, let's go to some. So this will be in a web management, how it will look in the future. You're going to see the preview. So when I'm clicking on a lab, you're going to see the preview appears here, and it's going inside of the lab. So when I'm starting the lab, you're going to see that highlighted in a blue color. It's a gray nodes are not are not running. Yeah, it's a very easy. Will be interconnect the nodes. You're gonna see that I'm dragging a drop. Yeah, it's in leaving, and as I'm saying connect, it will be very easy. So the node management will be absolutely improved as well. So the more columns to be added. Yeah, it's a CPU, so RAM, for example, the columns, and later you're gonna add change them as you wish. So it's easy to manage. All right, so I'm going to close the lab. Manage user management will be here, so you're gonna see that we are changing absolutely the new brand web page. So it's we are running the new code. It is looks like a previous UNL, but it is running already the UNL code. And as I'm clicking here, and there is a benefit, and you're gonna see that the new session in a web browser opening, and you're gonna start to work in a console on it. Let me click on a PC. All right, and look at this, and I'm inside of the PC, and I can use it like my management PC inside that lab. I think it will be very beneficial for you. And that's why I'm creating this video, and looking in the future, and I'm waiting your help. Thank you very much.